In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell tickets on Ticketmaster using the official method. The first thing you need to do is open the Ticketmaster website or the Ticketmaster app and sign into your account. Make sure you use the same account that was originally used to purchase the tickets because that's where the eligible tickets will appear. If you signed in with a different account, you may not see the event you're looking for. Once you're logged in, go to the section called My Tickets or Upcoming Events. From there, find and select the event for which you want to sell tickets. This area shows the tickets connected to your account, so it's the main place where you'll manage your listing. Next, check whether your tickets are eligible for resale. Look for a button labeled Sell or Sell Tickets. If that option isn't there, or if Ticketmaster shows that resale is unavailable, that usually means the event organizer has not enabled resale for that event, or Ticketmaster is not the primary ticket provider for those tickets. In that case, you may not be able to use Ticketmaster's resale system for that specific event. If resale is available, select the specific ticket or tickets you want to sell. Depending on the event rules and how your tickets were purchased, you may be able to list all of them or only part of your order. This is helpful if you only need to sell a portion of your tickets instead of everything. After that, set your price. Enter the amount you want to sell each ticket for. Keep in mind that pricing flexibility can depend on event organizer rules and local laws. So in some cases, you may be able to list above or below face value, while in others there may be restrictions. It's a good idea to review the pricing carefully before moving forward. The next step is to add your payout method. This is where Ticketmaster will send your money after the tickets sell. You'll need to enter your bank account or debit card details directly in the payout section. Be sure everything is accurate so there are no delays when your payment is processed. Before publishing the listing, review all the details carefully. Check the event, the ticket quantity, and the selling price to make sure everything looks correct. When you're ready, click List Tickets or Submit Listing to make your resale listing live. After that, all you